Welcome to our channel. Today we look at one of Ferrari's top high-power cars, the Ferrari SF90. This car mixes speed, beauty, and future technology in one strong machine. The SF90 looks powerful the moment you see it. It has a low body, sharp lights, and a wide, strong stance. Every part of the design has a purpose: to make the car faster, lighter, and more stable on the road. The air flows smoothly over the body. The front, the sides, and even the back are shaped for high speed. This is a car that looks fast even when it is not moving. Now let's talk about the power. The SF90 has a twin-turbo V8 engine plus 3 electric motors. When they work together, they make 986 horsepower. That is almost 1,000 horsepower in one car. This power pushes the SF90 from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds. That means it takes less than 3 seconds to reach high speed. It is not just fast, it feels like a rocket. The electric motors are not only for speed, they help the car move smoothly, save fuel, and give instant power. You can even drive the SF90 in quiet electric mode for short distances. It is a Ferrari with both power and smart technology. Inside the SF90, everything feels modern and clean. The digital screen shows all the driving information. You see carbon fiber everywhere, giving the car a strong and sporty look. The steering wheel has touch controls, and every button is close to your hands. The seats are comfortable but still sporty. You feel like you are sitting in a race car, but with luxury around you. The sound of the SF90 is special. You hear the V8 engine roar, and you also feel the smooth push of the electric motors. It is a mix of old Ferrari power and new technology. This is the Ferrari SF90, a car built for speed, power, and the future. More luxury and amazing supercar videos are coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.